When someone applies knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to a project so that the project can achieve the objectives, it is called project management. When we say knowledge, it includes project management knowledge of how to initiate, plan, execute, monitor and control, and close a project, and also knowledge of the domain the project is related to. For example, construction, information technology, and finance. Project management skills are something that are developed over time with experience. First, learn different methods of estimation. That is the knowledge part. Then estimate for projects. The more the estimation is done, the better the person becomes in using the right method at the right time for estimating a project. That is skill. Then different techniques can be used. Analogous, parametric, and bottom-up estimation. Different tools can be used, like S-curve to display the cost baseline, and even software tools, for example, Microsoft Project and SharePoint. Why is it good to do project management? Think about it. If a project manager is told that you can take as much time as you want and spend as much money as you want, you can do whatever you like, and also you do not need to worry about the quality as there are no expectations in this regard, and you can have anyone you want to work on your project. Is there any need for project management? Of course not. This is why projects without proper project management can suffer from so many issues. Deadlines missed, significant cost overruns, did not deliver what was promised, quality is low, and lot of rework is to be done. There is no control over what is being done, no clearly defined scope. Stakeholders are upset and dissatisfied. And if this happens with a couple or more projects, the reputation of the organization goes down. With good and effective project management, not just that these issues and problems can be avoided, there are other benefits that can be achieved. Successful projects help the organization achieve its strategic objectives and goals. The project teams and the organization become more trustworthy. Organizational resources are used in an efficient manner, which results in lower overall cost and high morale. Projects that lose their value mid-flight or not expected to deliver the benefits can be cut short to save time and money. And so on. Other benefits can be achieved. So, in a nutshell, project management improves the chances of a project success and helps organization achieve its short and long-term objectives besides having satisfied stakeholders.